Are there food that you can eat and lose weight? Few people realize that there are foods out there that can help you lose weight, meaning that you can eat and lose weight. Ever wondered why everybody else seems to be so slim? It is because they're eating the right foods, and you could be joining them soon by including more diet superfoods into your diet. Slimming does not mean starvation, so it is important you know that right now. Steak and eggs. Let us begin with steak. That's right. Steak. Some people think that the best way to eat and lose weight is to give up meat altogether, but this simply is not true. Obviously, I am not implying you go out and live primarily on beef, this would be silly. But studies have shown that women who eat more beef lose more weight than those who do not. The proteins that are in steaks can help you to retain muscle mass during your lose weight program loss too. Try grilling your steak, around a 4 ounces serving of top round or sirloin, and then slice thinly on top of a salad, or even throw in some veggies for some fajitas. Food like this feels like you are hardly dieting at all. Another great food to get into your weight loss diet is eggs. Contrary to popular belief, eggs do not actually harm your heart, but they can seriously impact the inches you could lose. Eggs are particularly filling because they are crammed with protein, meaning that you eat less throughout the day, because you stay fuller for longer. But you cannot always cook an omelette or scrambled egg every morning before work, so here is a great tip: try baking a frittata rich in vegetables on a Sunday. By doing this you can slice it up through the week, meaning you are getting a healthy portion of eggs without having to spend hours in the kitchen. Foods to rid tummy fat. There are some great foods out there that have been proven to rid tummy fat, and lentils are one of them. Lentils are super high in protein and soluble fiber, which can stabilize blood sugar levels. By doing this, it prevents insulin spikes that cause our bodies to create excess fat around our stomachs. Red and yellow lentils are the most convenient if you are short of time and patience, with a cooking time of only 15 to 20 minutes. You can throw them in with a pasta sauce for a heartier and more filling meal, and because they are so rich in protein, it means you can afford to completely veg out and forget about meat for the night. Wild salmon. Fish such as wild salmon are renowned for keeping our hearts healthy, due to the healthy fish fats they contain, but few people know that they can shrink your waist too. Omega-3, which is found in fish, can improve and build muscle and decrease that lingering belly fat. When you have more muscle, your body burns more calories. Always try to opt for wild salmon for fewer pollutants. Wild salmon is very flavorful and is perfectly simply cooked in a hot pan with a splash of oil and some salt and pepper. Parmesan cheese. And finally, Parmesan. Forget the low-fat cheese, forget the rubbery processed stuff, get the real thing, and you will be more likely to rid tummy fat, as part of your lose weight plan, over time than you would be eating alternative cheeses. They are really flavorful too, which means you are likely to stick just to the one serving. As well as this, Parmesan cheese can help burn body fat, because it contains linoleic acid. Try it grated over some roasted vegetables, it packs a great punch and you will be eating healthy too. If you follow these tips, you will soon be back on the road to being healthy and happy. Whatever you do, it is important to remember you can achieve your weight loss goal without having to starve.